guys, it's Ezra, and today I'm going to be doing a video called FabFoil Nail Parlor Alex Spa. So you make your nail. It says here on the back, it says right here, it says apply nail sticker on this one. You can see here it says roll foil onto nail sticker. And this picture says instant manicure. So let's get started to using this nail set. Try to take all my accessories out. So I'm going to show you all the color foil I have to put on your nail. All different colors. I got this color. It's like a nice blue. I got a purple. This one. This nice pink. I don't know what to call this. Because if you can see, it's two colors in one. So, and a silver. Glittery silver. So those are all the color foils I got. So and it comes in a little baggie. Then we're gonna put all our foils in there so we can take all our other stuff out. Read the instructions. Don't forget to do that. This is how you do it. I wrapped it and I wrap it. So it's like this. This is how it looks. And now I'm gonna stab it back in here like it's set to. Got it in. Got it in. So now I'm gonna try my thumb. Okay. Come on. Got it right on there and press hard like you did the last time. And now it's on my thumb. This time, I got it. I think I got it. Roll. The step I'll be doing is cutting my thing off. Love this color. I don't know if it's my first nail, so. Okay, so this is gonna be my first nail. I like it pretty much. Looks like this. Close up, look at my nail. My first one, I actually like it, but it could be pretty. It could have been better. So I'm gonna try now silver again. Let's see if it's more me again. Let's see if I can get it to work this time. That's how I'm doing it. Taking it out. Took it out. So now all I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna just click it back inside. So I have the nail on my pointer finger, sticky thing, my sticky sticker. Just gonna push it on hard and peel off. This one's not sticky, so I'm gonna use sticking. Okay, so I have it on my nail. So now I'm gonna go again. So I'm gonna roll it on. Gonna roll up and down, 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 up and down. And pull till it comes off. So now we just cut it out. this is my pinky. So I got my pinky done and my thumb done. I actually like these. I'm gonna do one more. No more than one. So in the comments for my next video, if I do one of these kind of videos again, pick which color you want me to do. If you want me to do silver again, if you want me to do this one, the red, pink, and orange one again, the silver one again, this pink one, this blue, or this purple. Put in the comments what you would like me to do next. But for my last one that I'm going to be doing with you, I'm going to be doing the blue. Push hard on it. Press, press. Just pull it off. This one, that's the one that's not working. It's just not, the nail, the sticky piece is not coming off on this one. So I'm scared of what's gonna happen. It came off. So I'm just gonna do my last nail. Push, push, push. And take off. So this is my last nail. Comment down below. Oh yeah. Comment down below if you like these nails. And now I'm going to put on the clear coat. And these are my nails. Comment down below if you like them. Subscribe and smash that like button and smash that bell so you don't miss any video. Bye!